The airbag can definitely save your life one day if an accident occurs. If you repaired the airbag system, it is now time to reset the airbag light. The airbag light indicates that something is wrong with the seatbelts or airbags. This means that it's probably not safe to drive with the airbag light on. This video explains how to reset the airbag light. How to reset an airbag light. To reset an airbag light, follow the below given steps. Step 1. Turn the ignition on and off. To reset the airbag light, the ignition switch should first be turned on. Next, watch for the airbag light to illuminate. It typically does so after 7 seconds and stays on until it automatically turns off. After that, turn off the ignition switch right away and wait 3 seconds. Before starting the engine, go through the basic procedures a couple of times. Your car's airbag light should illuminate for 7 seconds before turning off completely if everything is done correctly. Step 2. Take a quick test drive. Restart your ignition and take a quick test drive. Drive for 5 to 10 minutes to see if the light turns off on its own. In some makes and models, an airbag light will go off if you drive around for a few minutes. Step 3. Check the passenger airbag switch. When trying to turn off the airbag light, one of the things to check is the passenger seat airbag on/off button. It's possible that someone accidentally turned it off, leaving the airbag light on. When you open the glove box or passenger door, you will be able to see this button, which is often on the passenger side dashboard. Step 4. Check the performance of seat belts. A broken seat belt can cause your airbag light to turn on. With your vehicle running, plug in each seat belt individually to confirm that it clicks, and then press the button to release it. If any of the seat belts are broken or fail to lock correctly, it could make your vehicle think the seat is occupied and the light needs to stay on. Step 5. Check the passenger weight sensor. Most cars have a passenger weight sensor that is highly sensitive. The issue with these particular vehicles is that placing a heavy box or container on the passenger seat is all it takes to trigger the sensors. The airbag light, therefore, comes on. Either remove the object from the passenger seat or fasten the seatbelt to solve this problem. Step 6. Reset the codes with an OBD2 scanner. If you're a gearhead, use your OBD2 scanner to clear or fix the error. Plug your OBD2 scanner into the diagnostic link connector, DLC, beneath your steering wheel. Run a scan and read the code on the screen to identify the underlying error. If you know how to fix the problem, great. Otherwise, try resetting the computer in your vehicle to see if the error comes back.